Check out what's happening here at the end of the video. Good morning, hot dogs. Welcome back to the fun. We're doing it real big. Look at these awesome photo ops at the railroad, Griffith Park. Holiday train ride with lights. I've never been to this one. There's like 3 different train rides around this mountain, Griffith Park. We've done 2 already, and this is the 3rd one. I think this is gonna be a cool one because this one has lights at night. The other ones don't. They're still pretty cool. Party of 6. Brandon. All right, my guys, this is what we're here to do. 2022 Holiday Festival of Lights Train Ride, presented by Griffith Park Train Rides in cooperation with City of LA Department of Recreation and Parks, November 25th to January 6th at 5 p.m. You could get your tickets online. Oh no, we tried that. I don't think they do that anymore. Box office is over there. It closes at 3 and it opens up again at 5 for this event. So you could get your tickets at 5, or you could come before 3 where they're still open for the day rides. That's what our family did. Got us tickets before they closed the booth at 3:30, something like that. So we already got the tickets. All we need to do is get in line to ride the train. And it's getting darker. So yeah, by 5 it'll be nice. I could already see some lights over here. Light action. December 18, 2022. It's a Sunday. We found parking, no problem. It is about 4:20 right now. Argentina won the World Cup today. So a lot of people are leaving, but a lot of people are going to show up at 5 for the lights. Here's the ticket price. Babies 18 months and younger, ride free with a paying adult. The booth for the ticket sales hasn't opened yet, and I can't even see the end of the line. It's way back there. Passing the stop sign over there. That's to buy the ticket. The gate to ride the train hasn't even opened. We're like the 3rd family right there. And here's the line. I don't know where it ends. So yeah, very popular. It is time to board the train. Have your tickets ready. And ready they are. The train over here has a USA flag, so it's ready to go. Good morning. I mean, good night. Oh, wow. I think we're gonna get our own car. Oh, it looks like Brandon and Nona are ready. Whoa.
Hi.
Whoa. So aunt, uncle, and grandma's in front of us. By myself is plenty of room, but it's you know, space is limited. So a little early, it's about 4:54. There's still a little bit of sun out. It's not completely dark out yet, but we can already enjoy the lights. Look, you can see the lights, you can see the grass, so you get the best of both right now.
Good. Please, for your own safety, keep your hands, your arms, and your feet inside the train at all times. Oh!
Yeah!
Of course you are. Okay. On the count of 3, we're going to say all aboard. 1, 2, 3.
All aboard!
Enjoy your ride.
Thank you. Oh, I hear the engine just got started. Oh, we're not wasting any time. Bye, get here early, people, get here early. And then there's music playing in the background, and those trees back there, they were lit up earlier, and they were singing a song with their mouths, like the lights were lit up. All right. Bye, get here early. Good job. Or should I say bad job? Okay. We got a Christmas tree over here on the right. Plenty of Christmas trees. Oh, it's a cold night. That's why I'm wearing me gloves. Wow, look at that. That looks amazing. And a nice coat, because this morning we were at Universal and it was so cold. Here's the pony rides on the left side. You're not here to see that, but look, it's available. Oh, look, a goat. Is that Kobe? That's Kobe right there. Hey, what's up? I think the sheep wanted to get on the train ride. Cool, you get to see horsey bears over there. Look, they look nice and peaceful. Beautiful animals. There's the barn over there. Looks like they have more horses in there. Super cool. Alright, we're still heading south. We haven't turned around yet. And we got Santa Claus and Rudolph and all the reindeers. Pretty cool. What's up? What's up, my guy? Oh, Frosty. Some trees that are lit up, and a tunnel is on its way. We're on our way to the first tunnel, I guess. A tunnel of lights. Oh, it reminds me of Space Mountain at Disneyland. Oh no. Super cool. That is awesome. Hopefully it's not the only tunnel we get. We got some kids. We got some kids. Oh yeah, I see the penguins too. Oh, the gingerbread man and the penguin look amazing. We got a big reindeer over here. Another huge reindeer. Los Feliz is over there. And we're pretty much running along the 5 over here. The 5 freeway. Oh, look at that. We got the traffic on one side and Happy Holidays train ride scenery on the other. Super cool. We got some cactus. Candy cane lane. Oh, look at that. Wow. Super cool. This train ride at $7 is well worth it. We could come here again and it'll still be cheaper than LA Zoo lights. We got a cool train ride, cool lights. Doing some Christmas stuff for the December 2022, and we got ourselves another tunnel. Wow. The Grinch! The Grinch! Bye, Santa! Christmas trees. Wow. The LED lights look awesome. Wow. I'm like a little kid out here. Snowman. Oh, Javi, we should come over here next weekend. Javi's at a party today. Super cool. Oh, look at this little house. It's the Snow White and the dwarfs over here. Super cool. And of course, happy holidays from the jolly guy over here. We are heading north now. Ever since we turned around over there at Los Feliz. We got ourselves a low-hanging tree up ahead. Let's see if we can clear it. Oh no, we're gonna crash. Whoa. Oh, look at this. Oh, the reindeer pulling a horse carriage over here. Oh, look at those wheels. Yeah, huh? We got some more cactus action over here. Oh, look, Griffith. Goat Saloon. Oh, that looks awesome. Look at the toy shop over here. Oh, candy shop. North Pole General Store. North Pole Cafe. Wow. Super cool. Oh, wow. Looks like we're turning around, about to head back, losing speed. There's the train and the conductor. Oh look, there's a. Oh look, it's the little tunnel for the dwarves. Super cool. Oh, little white bunny. More bunny bears and flowers. Super cool. Hey, peekaboo, I see you. Can it be our third tunnel? Oh, oh man, this is the frosting at the top. Look at these laser lights. Santa and the reindeers are ready to take off over there. Look at them. Bye. Happy New Year. Wow. If you're enjoying the fun shows by using your thumb, like, share, and subscribe. Hit the like button, smash it, do what you gotta do. Comment if you like. Check out Griffith Park. It is awesome. It is affordable. It is cold.
Welcome back, everyone.
Bye. Brandon. Bye.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. We're back. Looks like the second train took off already. So they're running 2 trains. And 2 trains is definitely not enough for this line to go faster. You're gonna be waiting in line a lot. So Nona's mom, got here early, got the tickets, so that helped out. We tag team. Once we got here, we stood in line until they needed to get up and get in line for the 5 o'clock. Look at this line. Keeps going. They want to get their tickets. We're on our way out. It's Sunday. Gotta go to work tomorrow. We got a police presence. I'm thinking because of the protesters. And yes, LA Danny was protesting the protesters. Oh man, I feel for the people that are looking for parking. Hasn't even started making line for the tickets. Here's our car, and it has reindeer ears as well. They're lit up. Time to go home. Bye.
I see their car.
Here's what I see. I see a line of people trying to enjoy a pony ride over here. Got some kids over there riding the ponies. We got some protesters, some police, and yeah, I don't see the abuse to as far as my opinion. That's just my opinion. So there's a lot of protesters. So my thing is, I'm out here protesting the protesters. I'd like to remind everybody that there is still people without clean water. There is still people at this moment in 2022 that are slaves. So their problem is the pony rides. And I would just like to, think about the people that are...
It's not the loudest voice wins, bro.
think about the people that are still slaves in today's day. That's a fact. Some people don't have food. Some people don't have water to drink. They're literally slaves in this world still. And then in this country, their problem is a pony ride. That's my 2 cents about it. All right, bye.